My people, them don't arrest the suspected killer of Super TV CEO. This man where they find in dead body inside one hotel for Lekki. Shebi all of na hear the story say they don't stab this man, blood run full ground. Now they can't even reason say abeg who kill this man. But as the matter be we don't gather say now one Unilag student too. Now I kill this man. Hey! Unilag will be say big people they come out of this place. Politicians, all these big men, now there, this killer self, they come outside from my people. Hope saying that they hear this kind of thing. And as we talk, they get now don't come outside. Can't use her mouth, confess this thing by herself. Chindima don't decide, say, yes, so she don't ready to talk. As they arrest her, now there she begin to confess how she and this man do everything where we say this thing can't lead to killing. My people are beg, making her follow me watch.
And so he asked me to get a shortlet where we can stay. So I got it, and then.
Babe, let her finish. Then what did she know add? You ask. That's the only way we can make.
So I checked for it online, and then I sent it. I sent to him. He said I should go check it out. Then I went to check it out, and then he paid for it. That was how it is that day.
Which day was that?
On Sunday.
Okay, from Sunday, what happened while you were together? Just tell us.
On Monday, we were together, drinking, smoking. We had fun. So I went to get food for all of us, both of us, I mean. And then that was what happened. Then on Tuesday, he was trying to make advances on me, which I was tired, but he became violent on it. So he got his way, which I let him. And then in the afternoon, towards afternoon, we ordered for smoke. We ordered for smoke and also roofies together. So that was what we took. And then we ate the food that we had on Monday. So we became high. And I wasn't happy for the first one he did, so I was still on my own, just smoking and drinking with my food that I've eaten. So he too was on his own couch. Then he came on to me while I was watching a movie. We were both watching a movie. So he came on to me and was like, I was like, no, that I'm not happy with what you did in the first one. And then I was like, you don't help me, you don't assist me in anything, but yet you just playing with me around. And then he was like, oh, okay, take my ATM now, I can go and withdraw what you want. And then he said the pin. I was like, that's not what I mean, that's not what I meant. So he became violent or trying to get to me, and I was resisting and defending myself. And at some point, he hit my head on the wall, and I also retaliated. And also, at some point, it was choking me, which I was on the kitchen cabinet. I lay on the kitchen cabinet while he was choking me, and then I stretched out the knife, and then I stabbed his neck.
I say this kind of fine girl. Person will fine like this way, you go think say this girl no go fit kill. In fact, cockroach, this girl no go fit kill. Now this girl carry a whole human being, stab and kill him, do like say nothing happen. In fact, if not beside the family even raise alarm, say this man don't miss. We don't even know where this matter even come out from. They talk say this man in bed they just they come up. Now there the family begin call him. Say me they even try wish this man happy birthday. They say this they call this man tire. The line no go. Work this man no show. Now there they call even declare say this man don't they miss. Now there they begin find this man no. Before they go see, now in dead body, now they don't go see. Hey, and they say this whole thing where the wife there for Abuja. Husband, now they see. Why they will talk say make woman they hold their man where? Now they hear na. Why wife go there for Abuja, husband go there here? All this one I go give the man reason to the cheat. All this one I go give a reason to the follow women. Kakiri. Anything where they understand, in go follow am. And Chindima now she talk say this is her relationship now 4 months now it start to say in fact now their friend now hook them up. Say that day when she even kill this man, when this thing happen, she tell her parents say she dey go ushering job. You see where this your ushering job don't usher you go rich. Now, you don't reach you, so you don't even go keep person. Now, this guy, they talk saying, she and this man, they do together, they enjoy themselves. They even buy loud and escape. In fact, now the age difference, they shock me. 50 years old man and 21 years old girl. 50 years old man, they smoke loud. I beg, what do you expect saying Peking go they do? What do you expect say your Peking will come they smoke? In fact, I pity this man's wife. Because even in death, this man, they disgrace this woman. Because what if they pay the woman and not even know behind the cheating? Say the fact say the man go cheat. I be say the fact say now Peking age mate now kill this man. All this one say I sure say this woman go they reason all this kind of thing. See as they smoke this thing, I be they drink this thing. Now there you know the man they try touch. You will be say you go there enjoy your mouth. They buy you this one, you collect. They go buy you this one, you go collect. Now I can't reach where they won't enter the place. You can't talk say you know go open leg. So now there argument start. Before she go see the man, they try, the man won't try enter that place by force, by fire. Now, there no be a knife. So the man, they try choke her. She can't go carry knife, stab this man. Hey, this girl don't even fear. At least if you will even sign up for this, say, before you come up for your house, say something will go down there. Something will go down there because if you know reason now, go come up from your house for night. 10 p.m. Say you they go do usher. Which kind of usher? Say parents say Pikin go come out 10 o'clock. You know us and say, I beg where you they go. Which kind of ushering? What they do for night? Now ghost you won't go usher. Because I don't know where they usher person for midnight. I never hear and reach. But say this kind in Pikin mates now. I don't come kill him. If this man go heaven, I beg. What thing you won't go tell Baba God? You go tell Baba God say he won't try do this girl smart. Now dear. See as your life just end. This kind of yeah, the every reason say this man fine. So all this kind of thing now, on top of this sex, this one it go be lesson for all these sugar daddies and young girls so they carry all this their papa age mate up and down. And I think we are now Ojoko don't let you into. This girl now we supposed they school. Mass come student we supposed this girl to even fine for this guy. If person tell me this thing, if someone be say I use my eye, see this I no go even believe. I no go believe say this kind of thing they happen. Say your side chick, the one we can supply, the girl can't carry the man ATM. Go they withdraw money. They can't ask and the interpreter be the reporter said they even they confused. Say what did they use? I beg you will be saying you never plan this thing. What you make you kill the man carrying ATM? What you want use and do? Say you want use and pay school fees. If say this man no can die, how you want to get this money? Then this girl, I sure say this girl another matter day inside this thing. I sure say this girl, she don't plan and say she won't kill this one. And she not come no say they go later catch her. Because if you reason and well, how person go keep person finish? She don't even go report. If say they even rape you, go report. Say, this man tried to rape me. Now I make this kind of thing happen. She not talk this one. She kill the person finish. Carrying ATM go they withdraw money saying she won't go pay school fees. Which kind of school? You know say your career, in fact your school don't end as the matter be like this. Hey, my people, things they really happen inside this Nigeria. I hear this one. I can't make I bring and come on aside, making myself using her ear. Hear what thing they happen inside Nigeria. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody self go see what we yarn about. I go see you now for the next video.